I'm Hugh, this is Code with Hugh. Let me quickly show you how to install Java and NetBeans on Windows. To download Java, you need to go to the Oracle website, oracle.com/Java, and find the Download Java link. So there are downloads for all sorts of different operating systems. I'm going to be installing for Windows, and also you can see there's detailed installation instructions if you need more help down here. There are various installers. I'm just going to install the standard x64 installer, so I click that link and wait for the download to finish. Depending on which browser you're using, the download might be shown in a different place, or you might have to use the Explorer to find it in a folder or directory on disk. Then just start it up by clicking it or open file and wait for it to start running. Now I go through a few dialog boxes and wait again for it to complete. And now I'm ready to install NetBeans, so I go this time to the Apache site, netbeans.apache.org. The version, of course, will no doubt change by the time that you are ready to download it, but go for whatever's the latest version, click the download link, and once again you are given installers for different operating systems, and I'm just going to install the Windows version. Start the download, and again I sit back and wait. Then run the NetBeans installer, and again go through some dialog boxes to set it up. I'll accept all the defaults, accept the terms. You can change the directories if you wish, but I'm going to accept those as well, and off we go. And now I'm ready to load NetBeans. Let's just try a sample project. So I click that, pick just the first one I can find, Anagram Game, next. And it is looking for features it requires, and it says I need to download and activate this, so I'll do that. Next, accept the terms, install, and finish. Okay, so now it's prompting me for a project name. Well, I'll accept all these defaults and finish. And here, up here, you can see my code. Some Java code has been created by this sample project. Let me just try running it. And I don't know, I'm supposed to guess an anagram, I suppose, but no idea. Okay. Anyway, that's the way that I've started my Java project from scratch by installing Java and NetBeans. If you have any problems with installation, be sure to read all the documentation that's on the Apache and on the Oracle sites, but hopefully it will be as straightforward for you as it was for me. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and click the little bell to get an email notification whenever I upload new lessons.